Hello everyone. Recently I came across few wonderful websites related to the plagiarism checking. So I thought of sharing the same with you. This will be helpful to you for your thesis, dissertation related work or research publication related work. So there are 6 websites which I am going to share with you all. The number 1 is your www.check_plagiarism.com. Number 2, www.duplichecker.com. Number 3, that is www.smallseotool.com. Number 4, that is www.plagiarismdetector.net. Number 5, that is www.turnitin.com. And number 6, that is secure.urkund.com. So out of these 6, the first 4 websites provide free checking of the plagiarism up to certain words. Afterwards, it is also a paid website. And the last 2, which is considered to be the standard one, that is Turnitin and Urkund. It is the paid software, that means an website, and that can be utilized for your research related work for checking the plagiarism. So I hope this information will be helpful to you all. You can find the detail of these websites in the description box. Thank you for watching the video. Keep watching. Thank you.